Hey guys, yeah, I'm back at it again. This is going to be a considerably different kind of hunt. I'm going magnet fishing today. Yeah, we're going magnet fishing. I'm going to get Tracy and possibly Tom out there with me, and we are going to the colonial site. Hopefully, it's deer season. Colonial site has deer hunters. You know, if there's any vehicles around or if there ain't hunters around, well, we're just going to steer clear of that. So we'll go play it by ear, see what happens. I want to go magnet fishing. I've never done it before. There's an old stone line well out there, and the river that's out there has had some kind of activity, I am certain. So we'll see how things go. Yeah, I'm wearing the orange. See that? It is the Little Dirt Digger shirt. Thanks, guys. I appreciate the shirt, by the way. I wear this quite a bit. But I gotta wear the orange, you know, and it's because of the deer hunters, you know. I don't want to get shot. So we'll see how this goes. Should be a lot of fun. Here we go. We are on our way to location. Got Tracy here with me. We're actually following Tom and Gene right now, but we have a little hiccup. And it's not really a hiccup. We kind of knew it was coming. I thought it was dodging a bullet because it wasn't happening until just recently, but yeah, it's raining. Check it out. We're going to do this in the rain. I'm not looking forward to that. But, you know, we're dedicated hunters. We'll probably wimp out here in a few minutes. We'll see.
Wish us luck.
Yeah, wish us luck. Been a while since we've been out here, hasn't it?
Yes, sir.
Here come the rest of the guys. What's that?
We're right here at this bridge and there's water under there.
Yeah. I can do that. I'll have to do that. We'll see what happens. I know there's a lot of trash right around. I saw there was a mattress there. We're going through that bridge right there. First thing. We got all this rain. So I got my work coat here and I just stuck it up with duct tape. I don't think it's going to stick though. But that bright orange there, keep me hunter safe. I'll let them shoot those guys. Alright, we're at this bridge. We got two sides to go here. There's not much water they speak of. It's not very wide, but this creek has been here for, well, who knows how long. We know it's here during the time that we're interested in. Right?
That's right.
So, let's do it. Let's throw a magnet in, see what we can come up with. Bet we're going to get a lot of garbage here. Let's see. Yeah, I imagine we'll find a lot of modern stuff right here. Good shot. go. Yeah.
We'll get there.
Find out. That's the first throw. Got some stuff on there. We'll do it again. Try a different location. Oh, that's it. Well, I drug it through that location, yeah. Camera.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
This side seems a little less trained. That may be I mean, further out that way. Well, we went over to this other side here to throw the magnet in a couple times. I looked down. You see that? That is, I think it's a deer hide. You see the nose right there and the hide's there. There's some more of the hide right over there. Somebody threw that in the water. And this water is running that direction, and I was just over there, and that's just nasty. So I'm not going to throw a magnet in over here. Why would somebody do that? Tell us something about a sign he just saw, and then we lost it. Well, we just found it again. Right there.
It's telling us to go up.
It's telling us to go up. Up there. There. What is that? That's not Appalachian Trail sign. I don't know what that means. How about you guys? You know what that is? It's facing away from the road. The road is actually right there. So it's not even facing the road. That's odd. Oh, is that well?
This is all new growth. That well is in there.
That well is in all that, huh?
Yeah.
Gene's over there somewhere.
It was walkable last spring.
So we may have to wait till later on, I guess sometime this winter to find that well, huh?
Don't give up on Diddy yet. He'll never find it yet.
I ain't giving up yet. I want to dip this magnet in there. This well is already under some brush. It's under some fallen trees, so it's already going to be hard to find. And now we have all this cover on top of it. And it's going to make it doubly tricky to find. It could be something easy to fall into, which would not be good. So then I guess we have to send Lassie to get some help or something, you know. Isn't that what you do? Something like that. Don't fall, Tom. If Tom disappears, I mean, like straight down, I know the well's somewhere around there. This is some thick stuff, guys. This is one reason why all this is so thick through here. Tornado came through and cut a hole area down, knocked the trees down, and all that. And everything started growing up around that and made it really viney. You can see that it just came right down through here. I'm standing in the path right in through here now. So this was bad.
When you get out of this rain, it started raining on us there.
So we found a home site. We got all this brick sitting here.
They piled all up in here around these trees right in here.
Yeah, so this we were looking for this. Because that well is going to be fairly close by. Old bricks.
I ain't the table. Mike wanted to drop his magnet in the river.
Yeah, how heavy one of things is.
It's killing us now. It's raining.
Would you like to eat them all day?
Dogs and cats now. It wasn't raining with some evening.
I don't know if I would.
So where you headed?
Well, I'm gonna tell you, I'm lost. I know the guys have already taken off, but I got lost and I couldn't find the trail. I think I'm heading in the right direction. You know how loud that rain is? I think I heard a car horn in this direction. So I gotta head this way. Some drinks, guys. Today wasn't the best time to do something like this. It was the best time for me, but this rain had other ideas. Hopefully, the next time you see me, I'll be sitting in my car, hoping to dry out a little bit. Hey, we made it. Guys, it was terrible. It was a bad day to try to do this. We didn't find that well. I got to throw the magnet in that creek for a little bit, but you know, there was nothing coming out of it. I saw the river, but the rain was coming down so hard, and all these other guys, you know, they already were heading back to the car, and I still had to find my way. I was kind of lost at that point. It was bad, guys, but we're going to head back to T-Hawk Manor, and we're going to get a gander of some of the gooders that they had found throughout this year and, you know, the years past. So we're going to get a look at some of the good finds that they made. So let's get on with that one, I guess. Hey, Oscar. How are you doing, huh? Oh, you're a cute dog. Oh, does that feel good? So we're back at Tom's house here, and we got some stuff laid out. We got Tracy right there. Yeah, he laid out some of the stuff that he's found this year. This is some of the stuff that he's found. He found these 3 rings, those 3 in the same day, and they are all gold.
Yep.
I think there's what, 14 karat, 2 or 14 karat.
Yeah, and one's a 10.
Yeah, so all the same day. How about that? He's got this one. I don't know anything about that.
I don't either.
He found his first Indian in 1902 and his first buffalo nickel. He's got some of his silver coins out here. He's got himself a Crescent Supply Company $1 token. Chet and I have found some of these before, and he finally got one. Got play money there. 1949 is the date on it. It's supposed to be a quarter. Got this engineer's collar disc, Company D. Is that what it is?
Yep.
And it's complete. Can you believe that? That is the coolest piece right there. And he's got some bling, some costume jewelry. It's always fun to come out of the ground. All that just this year.
That's not all of it, but that's all I got.
No,
right
but that's enough to put me to shame already. We got Gene. He's got this case full of stuff. Okay. We got, alright, tell me about that again.
It's a German coin, I don't, tin finning.
Tin finning?
It's 1950.
Alright.
Found it at school.
And you got a engineer's collar disc, a headquarters one, HO is on it.
Yeah.
That's a World War I also, just like Tracy's. And the old button, the old Great Seal World War I button. OES. And what was that?
Order of the Eastern Star.
Order of the Eastern Star. That was
Masons.
got himself a series of buttons here, musket balls, and different things.
Scout lapel pin.
Yeah, that was cool. That is an old Boy Scout pin or Cub Scout pin. That is old. It's got some fob, watch fob, different clips. It looks like an old hand-hewn escutcheon of some kind.
I got it down there. Same day I got that coin.
That was what, a half cent?
King George II half cent.
King George II half cent. Came over here on a wooden ship. Very cool. Got a silver spoon, gold chain. And you got this. This is a military button. And I don't remember what it was. What would you say?
Transport Command Center pin.
Transport Command Center. Awesome. He's got all this silver, his rings. He just recently found a Gamecock piece there. That was pretty cool. He's proud of that. He's a fan anyhow. Silver coins. He's got a Seated Liberty dime there. That's awesome. He said he just found that 1952 quarter, like the other day. 1909 wheat cent, and what's the date on that?
1904.
1904 on the Indian head. A few more rings. Got a Hardy's token. I didn't even know about those. They were telling me about those. Showing me that token. Greenville County, South Carolina dog license. 1929, is it?
Yeah.
Compact, just different things. That was pretty cool. Awesome stuff, man. Really is. Yeah, this is stuff they just found this year already. So what's that hat you got on? Does this say Pride of the South or something like that?
Oh yeah.
Pride of the South. Hey Oscar. You want us to stop playing with you? No? You like having this? You having fun, huh? Uh-huh. Yeah, you are? Okay. We got Tom here. Now we're going to do things a little different for Tom. We shot, Gene and Tracy, things that they found so far this year. Well, Tom just brought all these cases out.
Some of this kind of all over the place.
Yeah, some of this stuff is just like throughout the years of him doing this, and he's done it for what, 16? Is it 17 years now?
Right.
Okay, so he's done it for a few years. So let's just give you a kind of a brief overview of what some of the stuff is. All right, we got this case here. We got all these keys. He said these keys are pretty much everything. There is what he's found this year as far as those keys. Maybe most everything in this case he's found already this year. He's got this really cool buckle. All this silver. And all that's coins that he's found through the years. So, he's done some hunting. He's got a Standing Liberty quarter there, these rings. He's got a nickel there. He's got a Monopoly piece in there. We got this. This is colonial site stuff. With let me see. He's got two Indian head pennies there. He's got that half cent, that British half cent. That's King Charles II. He's got, or George, I'm sorry, King George II. He's got this sash buckle. Got a few military bars there, some buttons, a little bullet. He's got this case, he's got the horseshoe. Let me see. Know what that is? Is that a clock pendulum or something? I don't know.
I think it was a rosette.
A rosette? It could be. It's got some old rings here. Some more silver. There's another standing liberty. He's found all kinds of standing liberties. Got himself a token there. Big old gear. Look at that thing. And he's got this stuff. This case was actually made for him by Rick Otto. Nice old cage. I like that. He's got, oh, he's got even more stuff. Okay. Got an ox knob there. Pieces of jewelry. I think that is a flap for a lock that goes over the keyhole. Some more coins, and look at the old buttons. He's got some cool stuff here. Yeah, that's huge on my bucket list right there, and he has one. Actually, I want to get a full shoe buckle at some point in my life. So he's got this. Looks like an old crank. I think it looks like something from a coffee grinder. I don't know what it could have been. Old spoon. Bullet casings, the old buckles. Look at that. You found a Williams cleaner?
I didn't find it.
You didn't find it?
Well, I did find it, but I found it at an antique store.
Oh, okay.
It was in the guy's display case, and I asked him what he wanted for it. He said $1.
$1 for the Williams cleaner.
Yeah, they go for more than that on eBay.
Yeah,
and that
no,
one
they
was
are
complete. So I jumped all over that $1.
I would too. You didn't know what he had. So you got this 3-ring is one that you found, right?
Yeah, that's when I found.
Yeah,
up there at Rick's permission.
So all of this stuff, this is all Tom, and this is not all of it. You got a whole lot more than just that, right?
That's just all I feel like pulling out.
Very cool. Well, guys, that was our hunt. It started out with good intentions. We knew the rain was coming. We just didn't know it was going to come in buckets. We spent some wet moments out there. Not moments. We were out there for a good long time looking for that well. We actually think we kind of pinpointed where it was, but we couldn't reach it. There's probably a good 10-12 feet of heavy brush that's over our heads, and it'll have to be another time. Let that brush die out a little bit. We might get there this winter. Yeah, we have some fairly mild winters around here. Couldn't even get it out in the river, but we got the magnet and we got the location, so we will hit it at some point. It just wasn't today. Meanwhile, guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing what some of these guys have pulled out of the ground, including myself. Some of that stuff's pretty cool. We enjoy this hobby. We enjoy finding what we can find. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, guys, we'll catch you later. Bye.